installer. From the search result window, click on this. Once this page is fully loaded, Windows section will get automatically expanded. Please click on MSI installer, which is Microsoft installer. Please download it. Once this is downloaded, click on to install it. Please click on yes. Once this application is installed, there are two ways to log in. I will show you how you can log into the meeting room. Let this application be installed. I'll just check the desktop whether it, yeah, we can see that this application is installed.